We think of oxygen as life. We breathe it. Our cells crave it. Our world depends on it. But what if I told you oxygen was once the deadliest poison ever released on Earth? That 2.4 billion years ago, the first pollution event wasn't from factories, but from living organisms. And it almost ended life forever.
In the 1960s, geologists found something bizarre in ancient rocks, alternating layers of red rust and black minerals. This was Earth's crime scene. The rust was iron reacting with something new in the air. That something was oxygen. And the killer? Microscopic blue-green algae called cyanobacteria, the first organisms to master photosynthesis. Here's the paradox. Before oxygen, Earth was a warm, stable place with a methane greenhouse. Life existed in oceans, anaerobic, fragile. Then cyanobacteria learned to split water molecules, releasing oxygen as waste. For them, it was progress. For everything else, it was poison. And within maybe just 10 million years, oxygen levels went from 0% to 21%. Earth had its first chemical weapons attack.
The evidence is written in rust. Banded iron formations, these beautiful striped rocks, are oxygen's smoking gun. As oxygen filled the oceans, it reacted with dissolved iron, creating insoluble rust that sank to the seafloor. Layer after layer, year after year, like pages in a diary of poisoning. And once again, we find absence. For over 1 billion years after oxygen appeared, life remained microscopic. Why? Because oxygen was toxic to anaerobic organisms. It burned their cells, destroyed their chemistry. This period, the boring billion, wasn't boring. It was a recovery ward. Earth was healing from atmospheric trauma. Then comes the twist. Oxygen didn't just poison life, it changed climate. Methane, a powerful greenhouse gas, was destroyed by oxygen. Earth lost its blanket, temperatures plummeted, and within maybe 100 million years of the oxygen Holocaust, Earth froze. The first Snowball Earth. One catastrophe triggering another. Picture the collapse. 99% of Earth's life wiped out. Anaerobic organisms retreating to deep ocean vents, sediments underground. The survivors? Those who could use oxygen not as poison, but as fuel. This was the birth of the eukaryotic cell, our ancestor, with mitochondria as power plants. Life didn't just survive oxygen, it weaponized it. The oxygen Holocaust is the ultimate warning. Life itself can become a planetary threat. Cyanobacteria didn't mean to cause mass extinction. They were just being efficient. Sound familiar? We're just another species releasing waste into our environment. Our waste is CO. Theirs was O. The scale is different. The pattern identical. So, did oxygen almost kill all life? Absolutely. But here's the haunting truth. Without that catastrophe, we wouldn't exist. Complex life needs oxygen's energy density. Your every breath, your every thought is powered by a poison that once murdered a planet. Final line, image of cyanobacteria under microscope. We search for aliens who might threaten us, but perhaps the most alien force isn't out there. It's in every breath we take. A reminder that on Earth, even life itself can become a weapon of mass destruction.